Your turn, number 1. A, negative 3 times positive 5. Negative 15, because a negative times a positive equals a negative. B, negative 10 times negative 2. A negative times a negative equals a positive. So our product here is positive 20. C, positive 7 times negative 6. Positive times negative equals a negative, negative 42. D, negative 2 times negative 22. Negative times a negative equals a positive. 2 times 22 is 44. Positive 44. E, negative 15 times negative 3. A negative times a negative equals a positive. 15 times 3 is 45. So our product is 45. And F, positive 8 times positive 4. 32. Positive 32.